So I just stumbled on this mind-bending project about real-time display using HDMI input on the OrangePi 5 Plus. Like, how wild is that?
Wait, seriously? An HDMI input on an SBC? That's really fascinating. What's the whole idea behind it?
Right? It's using this V4L2 device to capture video and convert it to RGB for rendering in OpenGL. Can you imagine the possibilities?
Oh, wow. So it's like creating a virtual display right on these small boards. What kind of applications do you think this could have?
Exactly. Think gaming, AR, or immersive media experiences. But there's also this IMU integration with the Viture headset.
No way. Are you saying it can track head movements? That's actually kind of cool. How does that even work?
It shakes your head 3 times and resets the view, like if you drift too far from the center. How clever is that?
That gives me chills. It's like immersive tech meets DIY hardware. What else did you find out about setting it all up?
Oh, it gets even crazier. You need an ARM buy-in with device tree overlays enabled. It's a bit technical, but super important.
Right. And it's interesting how they built it to support other SBCs with USB capture cards too. Flexibility is key.
Totally. But if you're using like a Raspberry Pi, it makes things trickier. There's a lot of dependencies involved.
Dependencies, huh? So like OpenGL for rendering? I guess you'd also need a solid build environment to compile it.
Exactly. You need libraries like the libv4l2 and glut. The setup process sounds daunting at first, for sure.
I can imagine. But it's kind of rewarding to get everything running. Did they mention how to run the application?
Yes, you just execute it from the terminal. It's so straightforward, like calling a command, right?
That's pretty cool. And all those command line options allow for a lot of customization, which is super handy.
Exactly. You can control the plane's distance and scale it, even toggle a test pattern. It's like your own virtual playground.
So if I wanted to test it without HDMI, I could just use a laptop webcam, right? That's a neat workaround.
Yep, but it doesn't give you the same virtual display experience. Still, it's a clever way to troubleshoot.
Totally. And it shows how the tech can adapt to different needs. Did you catch any limitations they mentioned?
Yeah, they've got to work on improving performance and fixing bugs in the reverse-engineered SDK. It's still a work in progress.
That's a bit comforting. Even cutting-edge projects have their challenges. Makes you realize how evolving this tech is.
Absolutely. There's also potential to support more video formats like mjpeg to boost frame rates for USB capture.
Interesting. And I love that they include features like curved screen options. It's all about enhancing user experience.
Right, just think about creating your personal theater. You could use it for gaming and interactive experiences.
It's mind-blowing. But what's even crazier is how this could influence the future of DIY tech and VR.
Totally. Imagine a community of creators building their versions, pushing the boundaries. It's like tech evolution.
Oh, and with this hands-on approach, you learn more about hardware, software, and design. It's a win-win.
Exactly. And you're also contributing to open source development. That's a pretty impactful way to engage with technology.
I never thought about it that way. The blend of tech literacy and community building is just inspiring.
So, what are your thoughts on diving into a project like this?
I'm in. It's giving me all the ideas. Can you imagine the various applications? The possibilities are endless.
For sure. And it's a fun challenge. It makes me want to dig in deeper and see how far I can push it.
Exactly. All right. I'm definitely checking out demo videos. It's exciting to envision where this tech could go.
Same. I can't wait to see the innovations that stem from it. This could shift how we interact with digital media.
And that's the beauty of tech, right? Each little project has the potential to spin off something groundbreaking.
Exactly. So what do you think is the future application we might not even have imagined yet?
Maybe fully immersive interactive learning experiences? That's something I genuinely love to see.
Oh, that's an incredible thought. Education could be transformed with tech like this. I love where this conversation went.
Me too. It feels so energizing to think we're just scratching the surface. Can't wait for what's next.